I've got this really cool mincing spatula right here. So first off, thank you to the company for sending this out to me to try out. I have the aqua color here. There are a couple other colors you can pick from as well. So this is a really cool spatula, really unique design. It's great for if you're cooking ground beef to break it up, chop it up, and then you can scoop it up, and then there's the holes that'll drain out the fat. So it is this really nice soft silicone material here. Feels really nice. It's firm, but yet it's soft at the same time, so it won't scratch up your pans. The plastic here, the handle here is the plastic here on the top. The underside is the silicone, so it feels really nice, the grip on it. So here, as you can see, it's great for breaking up your beef or your meat or whatever you're stirring. You can use it for vegetables as well. You can break it up, chop it, scoop it, mix. So yeah, a really versatile tool here in your kitchen. Highly recommended for if you cook a lot of ground beef, meat, ground pork, turkey, or whatever. So yeah, really cool tool for your kitchen. So highly recommend this. Definitely check it out and pick one up today.